Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, there is a post that Professor Mutahi Ngunyi shared on his X, and in that post, Mutahi Ngunyi is wondering, why are Kikuyus complaining? Ngunyi is surprised that Kikuyus are making noise. Remember, they are in government, according to Mutahi Ngunyi. So he's asking, why are you making noise in government? Because what people believe, and that is the perception, that when you are in government, you go there to make money. So it's their time to make money. Instead of making money, they are complaining. Ngunyi has gone further to give us statistics as far as appointment in William Ruto's cabinet is concerned. So according to Ngunyi, out of 22 slots of cabinet secretaries, Kikuyus have 8 positions. If you add the Attorney General position, it makes it 9. Then you add the secretary to the cabinet, you make it 10. And because it's also addressing David Ndii in one way or another, you add David Ndii, who also sit in the cabinet, it makes 11. So out of 12, according to Ngunyi's statistics, Kikuyus have 11, half of the cabinet. Why are they making noise? That is the question. And I want us to go through that tweet, then so far we'll go deeper to understand what Ngunyi is trying to tell us. Dear Kikuyus, this means he's addressing a community, not an individual. It's the whole Kikuyu community. Dear Kikuyus, out of 22 cabinet position, you have 8. If you add the Attorney General and Secretary to the cabinet, you have 10. And of course, David Ndii sit in a cabinet. That is 11. What is your problem? Make money, not noise. That's Mutahi Ngunyi. We want to go deeper to analyze this tweet. But before we go deep into this, just a quick request. For those who are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. To our returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. First of all, in my view, Mutahi Ngunyi is mocking Kikuyus. Even if he means what he's saying, it is a mockery. Kikuyus have been mocked in this post. Because he's not addressing an individual. He's addressing the community. But again, he's telling them what they have in this cabinet. Why am I saying so? The fact that they are complaining because they feel shortchanged. The economy is not fair for them. The same pain a Kikuyu business woman or man is going through, the same way a Luo or Luya business person is going through. But again, in William Ruto's regime, there was a time Ruto said that when you want to do something, first of all, what you need is power. Once you have power, it is when you can execute your plan. But when you don't have power, you wait until you get that power, then you can go forward. It looked so much light, but that message was very heavy. What is happening right now? If you check on the latest statistics, a report that was compiled, analysis done, is confirming that right now, the majority of people employed in this country are, number one, the highest community employed in government, Kalenjin. Remember, you're not talking about Rift Valley. Rift Valley iko na Wamasai, iko na Waturkana, iko na Waluya, because Trans Nzoia iko huko na wengine. We are talking about purely Kalenjin. Kalenjin are the highest employed community in government. Hao ndio kwanza Kenya. They are followed by Kikuyus. Remember, Kikuyus are the majority, but they are number 2. Who are shortchanging them? Kalenjin, who should be number 3 or 4. They should tie number 3 with Luos. Then Kikuyus, then Luyas comes number 3 after Kikuyu. But the hierarchy should be Kikuyu, Luyas, then Luo and Kalenjin should tie, Kamba and the rest should follow. Lakini hao ndio wa kwanza, from number 3 to number 1. Ni walikuwa wanachukua kazi za kina nani? Kikuyus, then Luyas. They are making noise. Then secondly, if you check on how the policies Ruto is putting in place is affecting the effectiveness of those policies, it has negative effect to majority of Kikuyus because they are the majority in business. Today they are crying the most. What is Mutahi Ngunyi saying? In my view, I want to interpret this post in this way. He's telling Kikuyus that positions cannot put food on your table as a community. Even if Ruto will have all of his cabinet Kikuyus, it cannot solve their problem. Their problem can be solved if Ruto is willing to put resources in the pocket of people or an economy that is going to help the people. Instead, Ruto gave high number of positions to please Kikuyus, but what he was snatching from them is huge. Amewapea position na ni mshahara kidogo, watu wachache pale. But the way Ruto finance bill is meant to dry our pocket, it has hit everyone hard, and Kikuyus are among these people. So position to few individuals cannot solve a problem of an entire community. This one has been tested and proved through William Ruto's regime. It is true that the majority Wakalenjin ni wachache ukiangalia cabinet, but who are crying the most? They feel betrayed because they trusted this government and overwhelmingly voted for it. But we know we have close to 1.5 million Kikuyus who voted for railaodinga. That's also a fact. Hatifai tusahau hiyo, lazima tutaje pia. So sio wote, but we know the majority did what? Trusted in this regime. So Mutahi Ngunyi has a message for that majority. Positions are not enough to solve your problem. Ruto came to please you with positions, but he's oppressing you at a large scale for his own personal gain. Ni watu wangapi ambao Moses Kuria ameenda kuwapea chakula kwa nyumba zao kila siku? Kikuyu wangapi? Wanaweza fika 1,000. Wanaweza fika 10,000. Because we're talking about 7 million people who have IDs. So out of 7 million, hawa tuulize David Ndii amesaidia watu karibu 10,000 mahali? No. Instead, he gave the top position, but he knew down here he's going to put his people in place. And that is what has happened. Those who are enjoying are Kalenjin, because he put measures that helping them to get jobs. But above all, at how wote hawajafaidika. So they will make noise. It's only few who have positions who are going to make money. But the whole community is going to suffer at expense of few individuals making money. So wale watu ambao wako na privilege ya kutengeneza pesa ni akina David Ndii. So if David Ndii is making noise, Mutahi Ngunyi is telling him that it is time to make money, not noise. If Ruto has refused to listen to your advice, so you focus on making money, forget about advice. That's also the message here. Na hiyo ndio ambayo anaambia watu, because we know David Ndii is a man who comes out to speak his mind. So if he's speaking his mind and no one is listening to him, Mutahi Ngunyi also has a message for him. Make money. Don't make noise. I don't know your views, but let us meet in the comment section to continue this discussion. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.